Can you see all that baby hair? I have not one, but 3 hair serums that give you this result. 3 serums that vary in price range, so you can decide what you want to get based on your budget. Start with the most expensive hair serum. I have the Viral Kerastase Genesis Anti-Hair Fall Fortifying Serum. Now this is pricey and it costed me 4,000 rupees. I know. I was at a stage where my hair fall was so bad that sotta vittadu na yada try pannonu irundhen. That is why I got this. With consistent usage, around 5 to 6 weeks, I could see visible results. Kuti baby hair la I could see. But sadly, this is a one-time purchase for me and I'll tell you why. For starters, the price. 4000 rupees every 3 months எல்லாம் வந்து எனக்கு சத்தியமா முடியாது because now you have other options in the market which give you the same result. And the other thing is, I found it a bit oily for my liking. It does smell nice. It is lightweight, but the thing is, it turned my hair greasy. According to the instructions, you're supposed to use it daily. அதுவும் வந்து you're supposed to use, like you see the line here, right? On the level, like 4 droppers of that. Every day you should section your hair and you apply it. Anna, I just use it thrice a week every time I wash my hair because it also says use it on clean towel dried hair. But I felt it weighed down my hair. I didn't really enjoy using this. Adanala it does work, but எனக்கு இதெல்லாம் வந்து seems more to skip this. So இந்த குட்டி குட்டி நொட்ட சொல்றத தவிர பாத்தீங்கன்னா this is really good. It does what it claims. So if you have the budget, go for it. For part 2, I have the Wish Care Hair Growth Serum Concentrate. Now this is under 1000, but obviously you get it much cheaper, as low as 600 rupees. Again, a viral serum. This is definitely worth the price. It does what it claims. Honestly, when I got this, I had no hopes. Seri chuma try pannalam I got it, but you can see results within 4 to 5 weeks. It's that quick and it's super lightweight. As per the instructions, you're supposed to apply it and leave it overnight. Even this, I used it thrice a week. Correct hair wash munadi naal I'll use this. I've already finished 2 bottles of this and this is legit amazing. This gave me quicker results than the Kerastase one. I would really recommend this because this is the most affordable hair serum I've ever tried that actually gives you result. I don't have any cons in this per se. I really enjoyed using this. If I had to really nitpick, then I don't like the spray packaging. I would have preferred a no-nonsense dropper bottle for easier application. The spray is nice, it's innovative. The thing is, after a few uses, it gets stuck. It doesn't spray evenly and yeah. That's about it. எனக்கு நொட்டம் சொல்லணும்னா அது மட்டும் தான், பட் மற்றபடி this is really good. I had bald spots here and this started to cover up a little bit. நான் மூடிட்டு இதை வாங்கலாம். For the price you're paying, this is really good. And if you want to save more money, don't forget to use my code on their official website. For part 3, I've saved the best for the last. Now this is my recent hair serum and out of the 3, this is my most favorite. It's the Ordinary Hair Care Multi-Peptide Serum for Hair Density. Now this is such a gem. 30 ml you get it for 1200 something. Other way the full size you get it for 2000, which is half the price of the Kerastase one. I really enjoyed using this. Now on the bottle mudichna, I've already ordered the next one. Now this, I really have no cons for this because this is that good. It has a dropper for easy application. As per the instruction, you're supposed to apply this on freshly washed towel dried hair. Again, நான் அதை வந்து thrice a week தான் யூஸ் பண்ணேன். Oh my goodness, this is liquid gold literally for your hair. It's super lightweight. It doesn't leave your hair greasy. ஒரு light consistency hair serum apply பண்ணா எவ்வளோ இருக்கும் அந்த மாதிரி this is. I enjoyed using this because usually I prefer serums that are applied pre-wash, so even if it gets oily you can wash it off. I was skeptical at first to use this after my hair wash because I was scared that it'll weigh my hair down and make it greasy, but it didn't do anything of that sort. Because for starters, I love Ordinary as a brand. They have really good products and this is no less. I cannot stop raving about this. Yaar enna ketalum I either suggest this. Have the budget, definitely kanna mudittu just get this. You don't have the budget for this, then Wish Care. And the rendatha vida idhula I could see results much faster. You see, I used to have bald spots here. This is what I've been using currently, so all this is because of this. This is the love of my life. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. Get it during sale time if you want to save money, but definitely get it. Hope you found this series helpful. Share your thoughts below in the comments and I'll see you again next time.